Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for 10th March 2021. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos on daily basis so that it helps you analyze a little bit. You can also check my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And I'm extremely sorry I do not get time to edit my videos and I do not have a professional setup also. Okay, so I do apologize. Anyways, we can see the right now market is trading at 150.88. Okay, and the best thing about GBP JPY as of now is that market is in beautiful uptrend. There is no doubt about it. And in a trending market like this, we all also know it very well that things are not very complicated. Okay, so though it is a trending market, but from a discipline point of view, I'll say that this is not the area of value right now. Okay, the the best area of value for a trending market is near the moving average, and we can see that more or less market is taking support at the 50 moving average. So you can wait for the market to take support at the 50 moving average. So when when you see that market is taking support at the 50 moving average and it is about to reverse again, just grab it. Okay, because right now, see, if you buy here, okay, and you will have to keep your stop loss somewhere around here. It does not match the risk to reward ratio, and to become a consistent profitable trader you must have discipline. Okay, you cannot be compromising with the discipline, and discipline is essential. So this spot is against the discipline. Okay, because this position does not match the risk to reward ratio. So as a result, wait for some time, let the market cool off a little bit. Okay, so that we can grab it near the moving average. So just make sure when you grab or when you click on the buy order, okay, just make sure that there is some confirmation, okay, like price rejection from below like this, or a good bullish candle like this. Okay, then you can easily go ahead and buy. Okay, so this is a trending market, so things are not very complicated, things are quite simple. Okay, we just need to find the area of value in a trending market, that's it. Okay, so this is it, simple analysis for GBP JPY for 10th March. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. See ya tomorrow, and also check out my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye, good luck.